Hello everyone, I'm Patricia Santos and I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom. Zoom is a very easy app that you can have on your cell phone or you can have it on your computer. It's a program on your computer. It works really well. So you can have online classes just like if you were face to face with your teacher. It doesn't make any difference. So I'm showing you now the screen that we have, and I'm going to send here an invitation to my friend Erica, and then you see how the screen, how the class, how the lesson really works. Okay, so I'll send her a link. It can be either by email or WhatsApp. So hold on, I'll show it in a sec. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Hello Erica, how are you doing today?
Hi, Pat. I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay. So let's share with everybody, with all our students, how Zoom works. So what is the first
Yeah.
thing that we do?
Well, first, I like to tell everybody that they should expect a good session if they have a good internet connection, right, Pat? If they don't have a good internet connection and headphones and microphone, then it's very hard to have a good and productive class.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
They have to check that first. And then it's simple. They don't even need to download the program beforehand. They just need to receive the link, click on the link, and then if it's not installed, it's going to install by itself. And it's important to remind them that they can either open it on a cell phone or on their computers.
Yeah, but the computers, the experience is a little bit different and better and enhanced, right?
Definitely, yes. We really recommend the computer. It's much better for screen sharing because many times we're going to share our screen as teachers. They can also share their screen eventually. And then it's really important that they have a good screen to look at.
Okay, I'll share my screen later, so I'll show everyone how it works. Okay. And also, do you usually send the invitation, the link on WhatsApp, or do you use email?
I send both. I send to their email and at the time of the class, to their email and WhatsApp.
Okay, so if they don't have Zoom, when they click on the link, it will lead them to download, right?
Yes, that's right. Installation is automatic. If they have if they have it installed already, they're just gonna open a Zoom link.
Okay, and
Zoom app, right?
Yeah, it comes straight to what we can see now, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, so I'll share something and let's show our students how the screen sharing works. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen and you will be able to see videos or do a listening activity or even write, because I can give you the access to the screen. Okay, so this is what you say. This is what I'll share, and the students will see this just like we are seeing this now. Very simple.
It's floating down the stairs, you're fixing up your hair like you do.
All right, so
great quality.
Yeah, great quality. And also you can have, for example, an exercise, and I can give the remote control to Erica. Would you like to try that, Erica?
Yeah, so I go here on annotate. I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but on the top, on view options, there is something called annotate. So I click on it, and then I am able on text to write whatever I want here.
I'm not doing anything. Go ahead, Eric.
Yes. So I can write, and then Patricia can write at the same time. So the teacher and the student can write, right?
All right.
And then it's really easy to use.
Okay. And I can get the remote back anytime I want.
Okay. What I like to use with my students too, Pat, is to open a Google form so we can both write together, student and teacher, and then it's saved, right? After we close the Google Doc, then the document is saved and all the classes recorded there.
Okay, how do your students feel about having online classes? Do they feel comfortable?
Oh, they love it. So much more comfortable than having to commute to class, and it's more flexible.
Yeah.
You can do it from your, maybe from the comfort of your home, or maybe in your lunch break or snack break at work. So it's much more comfortable. I don't think the students want to go back to face-to-face classes anymore.
They don't.
And we have had a great experience with groups too, right, Pat?
Yeah.
So
can you share? Yes, I can.
I'm going to ask you to share.
Okay, I'll share. We have been having these group classes every Friday, but this was a trial. So we have every Friday. We had every Friday in September. And now in October, we are going to have these group classes on Wednesdays, 7:30 Brazil time and 7:30 p.m. And it has been a wonderful experience because we place students in different rooms. So they share in trios or pairs, and then they share to the whole group. Oh, it's been amazing, and we have so much fun. It's great.
Yes. Today actually is our last class of the month.
It is.
Later we are going to record a video with the other teachers to show you how it works.
Yeah. And everybody has to see because it's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Erica, so much for joining this session.
Thank you, Pat. Oh, just to remind students that they can also share their own screen.
Okay,
so
would you like to show that, please?
Yes, I'm going to share my screen. Patricia is recording from her computer, right? But I can share my screen.
And I'll show you my hands that I'm not doing anything.
So I can select the screen I want to share, because when you open share, you can share many different screens. You can share the apps that are open in your computer. So I'm going to share here. Can you see my?
Yes, I can.
My Spotify.
Yes.
So here I'm sharing it with Patricia. And I'm the student supposedly, so it's the same thing, and I can annotate here too with the bar on the top. You can choose more and then annotate, and then right on the screen. Patricia can do that too.
Okay.
And then it's really easy to use. Another feature that we also have available is the chat, right? If we want to chat.
Great.
I'm going to stop my share. And Patricia, do you want to show chat?
Yes, I'm just showing.
So I receive Pat's message, and I can reply.
Okay, in a group where you have this arrow here to everyone, you can select only one person from the group and send a private message to that person.
Yeah, definitely. And then just to remind you guys that the bottom bar is the one where you can find chat, the one where you can find share. And we as teachers, we can also record the classes. So that can be good feedback for the student that wants to be recorded. Some of my students really like that. They want to be recorded in the beginning of their year, and then after 6 months again, just to see if they
how
improve.
much they have improved.
Yes, that's right. So it's a really great feature that I also like to use.
It is great, yeah. Okay, thank you again, Erica. I'll see you later tonight for our last session, and then we'll record again. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.